Before going into the video, please like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for latest updates. Hey guys, welcome to Sai Web Pro. Today we are going to learn about PHP search engine. Firstly, I'm taking a notepad. Okay. Engine. To develop a PHP search engine, initially we need to have a script file and a database. So let me explain you how to install search engine. Firstly, we need to have a cPanel or a server. cPanel server should be incorporated with phpMyAdmin. And third, a domain. It may be a test, or you can do it in your local server also. Okay, let's get into the video. First step is to take a cPanel or a local server. For myself, I have a cPanel server, so I was using cPanel server. Okay, after logging into my cPanel, and to go to the file manager to host my files. Well, I'm taking a folder first, naming it as a search. Yeah, search. Yes, I got it. So here we need to dump our PHP search engine files. Don't worry, I'll provide you the download link in the description. You can download it for test purpose. So yeah. So here is the search engine project. I'm just making a zip file of script. Okay, the script has been installed, uploaded successfully. Now I'm extracting it. So after extracting, I'm just calling these three files into the subdomain. Okay, once I got this, I'm just navigating to the folder which I have created. Okay, so here it is showing an error that we need to connect with the DB database. Great. So initially, to connect with the database, we need to create a database in our cPanel. Let's create it. So yeah, I'm creating database called PHP search. PHP search, and writing some Great. So yes, so after adding the details, just go to the PHP My Admin. So after entering into the PHP just search for PHP your database name. Okay, you got the database name here. Just click on import. On the right side, click on import. And in the file structure already we have MySQL. Here is the database file. We need to just import this. Go. Well, fine. Yes, our database has been successfully imported. Now let's check the URL. So our URL has been successfully generated. So here is the PHP search which we have installed. Now just go to the admin part and just log into it. You can change the admin password. Give MD5. Give admin. Go. Okay, we have successfully changed our admin password. So just log into the admin panel. So after successfully logging into the admin panel, so it says invalid username and password. Just go to the admin section. Here the details are true. Yeah, I'm logging into the admin panel. Okay, here is the dashboard of our backend. So here first initially if you want to change anything, you can go to general and you can rename it to your own search engine, like example Google, or your wish. You can search you can set the time zone according to your location. If you have any cookie policy, you can update the cookie policy, and if you have any Google Analytics tracking code, you can update the tracking code also here. Search part. Okay, API key. API key is very important because our server, our application runs with Bing API. So Bing API is absolutely free. There are few plans in Bing API. You can go with you can start with minimum $2, and you can take the API from them, and you need to paste the API here to use it. And here is the region. You can default select United States. If you are from India, you can select your own country here. So after open search results should be open on the other tab or the same tab. You can keep on or off, up to you. And these are the customizations where you can actually process for your PHP, for your own PHP server. Great. Coming to the appearances, here the logos sections, actually this follows. You can upload the media files here, like logo, favicon, and background image of your PHP search application. So there are themes actually predefined. There is one theme actually. Even if you don't like this theme, you can go with the new theme by manually, like and you can go into the public folder, themes. Here you can upload your own theme here, and you can activate in the backend. Languages. Technically, this script is providing only one language, English. If you are interested to go with the multiple languages, you can go. You can also add more languages. Ads, yes. For monetize, if you are interested to monetize your application, you can even you can click on ads section and click on, and you can add your Google AdSense or Bing Ads code here for the monetization purposes. If you want to change the password, you can click on password and you can just change the passwords. That's all, guys. This is how you can install your own PHP search engine using Bing API. Yeah, as I didn't provide any a Bing kind of API, so mostly search results wouldn't display. If we provide any Bing API, you can get the search results like web-based and image-based, video-based and news-based search you can find. And there are pretty much filters also provided. For image-based search, you can see the filters like aspect ratio, like if you want the image to be in a square or wide or big size image, and color combinations based, and license. Can we use that image? Can we reuse the image? You can just find here in the filter section. So this is PHP search engine, and if you are interested, actually I'll be sharing the code link file in the description. You can have a download it, and you can test in your own server and check, and you can start your own search engine. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, share, and try to reach this video to your circle, and make it useful. Thank you.